Hello, this is Star from Vibrant Tech. Today I'm going to introduce our remote control track chassis.
The remote control chain chassis is beautiful in appearance. The fuselage is large and the space reserved for development is sufficient. The maximum payload is 300 kg. The machine is equipped with a function expansion hub, which can control additional 4 channels. It can easily control and expand other functions required by customers without professional remote control knowledge. On the basis of our chassis, you can freely add other functional modules to create a new workload that meets your own needs. Machine adapts the mature working motor controller on our remote control Mower, which has the characteristics of sensitive response and fast response speed. The built-in smart chip can intelligently detect the current and heating conditions, which can ensure stable use all year round. It has a slow start function. The operation is smooth, and there will be no frustration when accelerating or decelerating suddenly. The product is modified on the basis of our very mature remote control Mower. It's an economical chassis product. The bottom of the machine is reinforced to carry heavy loads. The installation position of the tri-motor has also been reinforced to prevent deformation and displacement. The track is 15 cm wide and capable of working in muddy, rough, and sloping environments. This is driving wheel. Bigger driving wheels are cast and then CNC integrated, which are strong and durable. This is track driving wheel. Cast steel, the same material used for heavy equipment. It's much heavier, stronger, and more durable. This is working motor. Strong power, fast working speed, and strong climbing ability. This is remote control. Effective remote control distance is 200 meters. This is control panel. Each function button has a clear mark for easy identification by users. We also installed an emergency stop button on it to ensure the safety of users in emergency situations. First, we start the remote control. Start the power. It's forward, backward, turn left, and turn right. It's to control the speed, slow, fast, cross control, press it to start emergency, rotate the button clockwise to reset it, turn off the power. Close the remote control.
As a manufacturer, we will provide the best price. If you have any questions, please contact us. Thank you. Bye-bye.